Hi everyone, welcome back to Massive Crochet. For this pattern, I'm using a 4mm crochet hook. Start with a foundation chain of 12, then chain one more. I'll be making 25 chains. Skip the first chain, then work one single crochet in the next chain. Continue with one single crochet in each chain across. Row 1 is complete. Chain 2 and turn your work. The chain 2 never counts as a stitch in this pattern. So now we're starting our repeat, beginning with the double crochet in the first stitch. Half double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Single crochet in the next 6 stitches. Half double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Double crochet in the next stitch. Again, double crochet. Two half double crochet. Six single crochet. Two half double crochet. And double crochet. Row 3, chain 2, and turn your work. As always, the chain 2 doesn't count as a stitch, so now we're starting our repeat, working 2 double crochet directly into the first stitch. Double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Double crochet 2 together over the next 2 stitches. One more double crochet 2 together over the next 2 stitches. We've just created the dip. Now we're going to work the peak. Double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Two double crochet in the next stitch. That's it. This is the repeat. So, 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Three double crochet, two double crochet, 2 together. Three double crochet and 2 double crochet in next stitch. We're going to introduce the new color before completing the last stitch. Chain 1 to secure it. This is what your work looks like at the end of row 3. Chain 2 and turn. And now just repeat row 3 for as long as you like. Work 2 rows, then change color. At the end of the project, work just 1 row in the new color, then add 2 extra rows to smooth out the pattern. Chain 1 and turn your work. Work 3 single crochet, two half double crochet, two double crochet, two half double crochet, three single crochet. This is the repeat for this row. For the last row, we're working on the same side as the previous one, so cut your yarn and join it in the first stitch without turning your work. Work a single crochet in the first stitch and in each stitch across. You can carry the yarn along the back of the stitches and work your single crochets over it to weave in the tail as you go. I always enjoy working ripple crochet designs. I find them simple to make but really striking. In this one, I really love the addition of the top border, which gives it a clean, polished finish. Anyway, if you prefer, you can even skip the last 2 rows and leave the ripple effect as is at the top. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and hit the bell so you don't miss any future tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.